Say, kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Say hi guys. Tayo. Ayan, ang sarap ng gulay. And paborito nito ni Delan na ulam kasi may sabaw. O, diba? Yan natin ng sabaw and green beans. Gusto niya din yan. Right. Hindi siya masyadong kumakain ng karne, guys. Ano lang siya, sabaw. Right. Kain na. Yummy?
Yeah.
Masarap?
Yeah.
Ayan, kain tayo, guys. Say, kain tayo.
Kain
I'll get
tayo.
your juice. I'll get your juice.
Okay.
Dalan, kain tayo, guys. Sobrang sarap nitong sinigang, lalo na yung gulay, maasim-asim pa yung sabaw. Say, kain tayo. Yummy?
Yeah.
It's your favorite, do you?
Yeah.
And may patis ako dito ang sausawan, and ayan na din yung rice ko. And kain tayo. Wala dito ang daddy, guys, kasi nasa work siya. So, kami lang ni Delan. Kain tayo for lunch. Yummy, you want some more soup in your plate?
Yeah.
Get that, mommy. Yummy?
Yeah.
You love it?
And we just give Daddy a card on Father's Day.
Yeah, we will give daddy a card on Father's Day. Dagdagan natin ng sabaw. Yummy, baby?
Yeah.
Ang sarap ng sinigang. Kain tayo, guys. Sinigang na pork belly siya. Yan. There we go, your juice. Ayan, kain tayo, mga mare. And medyo maaraw na din sa labas.
Hi guys.
Say, kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Sinigang. Ayan, marami siyang gulay. Okra, talong, green beans, spinach, and radish, guys. So, kain tayo.
I got you juice. You
Yeah.
cup.
Kain tayo, guys. Yummy. Laloy na yung okra, guys. Wala kaming kangkong, kaya linagay ko na lang
I'm
is...
fashion. Oh, yeah.
Wow, good job, spinach. Mmm.
Hi guys.
Nadalan malapit nang matapos. What's your favorite? Do you?
Yes.
Favorite niyang Filipino soup, sinigang.
Nice. Thumbs up.
What do you will say to mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Oh.
And I Filipino soup.
You like Filipino soup?
Yeah, I think.
Ayan. Mukbang na to kami ni Dalan. Diba? Kumakain din to si Dalan ng mga Filipino food, pansit. Ito, favorite niya talaga yung sinigang.
Oh, that's food, Mommy.
Radish.
Oh. Oh, Kissing two have radish also.
Ayan.
Let's say us.
Kain tayo, guys! Is it yummy?
Yes.
Really yummy?
Yeah.
Mm.
I got this nice cup.
Yeah.
I buy that. Hi guys.
Say thank you guys for watching our videos.
Bye. Bye. Oh,
Say
sorry.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yan guys, kain muna kami ni Dalan. Enjoy muna namin tong napakasarap na ulam naming sinigang. Say sinigang.
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 Sinigang. Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Good job.
Please follow.
And like.
And like and subscribe. Bye guys.
Good job. Don't forget to follow guys and subscribe and share. See ya.
Two.
Flying kiss.
to when it's the video.
Yeah.
That can be
Subscribe.